Hi, I'm Sasha from Marent Crafts, and today we're going to be having a look at Bosal's Chef's Mitt. Now this is a brand new product out there. This is an insulating fabric and it actually protects you up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can use this product for your outside pizza ovens, barbecues, and at home for your general cooking or baking. The handy thing about this mitt is it does come right the way up to your elbow. So it will protect you when you're putting your arm in and out of those hot ovens. In the pack, you actually get 2 pieces pre-cut of the insulating fabric. And you are going to be using one piece for your top and the other piece for the back. And it's really important that you use both these pieces. We've had questions before when people have asked if they can substitute one of the pieces for another wadding and use the other piece of the insulating fabric to make another mitt. And the answer is no. The only way you're going to get maximum protection is by using both pieces of the insulating fabric. So here at Marent Crafts, we do have a pattern that goes alongside this chef's mitt, and this has actually been produced by Poorhouse Quilts. This actually shows you how to make 2 or 3 different designs of the chef mitt, and all instructions with colour photographs are inside for you to follow. So please read through this before you start any of your projects. If you look back on our Santa stocking video, you will see the technique that I've used to do a separate lining. And with this chef's mitt, I've done the same thing. I have done a separate lining which I have stitched inside, and I have also quilted on the outside of the mitt. And it will explain everything in the video for the Santa stocking. It will just show you roundabout the way that you would go ahead with your project if you didn't want to purchase the pattern. Now, a couple of tips from me for using this insulating fabric. As you can see, it's very dense, it's very thick. So this means that you're going to want to use a really nice, strong cotton thread. You're also going to have to make sure that you've got a jeans needle or denim needle or a really sharp top stitch needle. And that's really important because when you start going through 2 layers to join them, you are actually going through at least 3/4 of an inch of insulating fabric. So you need to be aware of that when using your machine. You need to take your machine stitch up to about 2.8 or 3, and this will just ease your machine over those bumps. And I would always recommend using a walking foot as well. So thank you for joining our tutorial today on the Bosal Chef's Mitt. Check out our website for all of our patterns and our pre-cut products from Bosal.